Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Bangla Ma. This is full recipe of how to make paneer at home. First of all, I have here 4 liters of milk, 2 liter of semi-skimmed and 2 liter full cream, blue top and green top here. So I will cook while stirring, boil it and keep stirring it until it's minimized the milk. So, and it's important we have to keep stirring because otherwise it's going to stick to the bottom of the pan, which is not going to be good. The color will change then. So after, and then you can add lemon juice, but I'm adding vinegar here. 1 small cup of vinegar with 2 cups of water. Mix it together and make sure you mix it well before adding it to the boiling milk. The important here is to add smaller quantity at a time. So while you add a little bit and then you stir and add another portion until you stir, so the plan is that for the milk will break. And as you can see, I have added the vinegar small tiny bits at a time and stirring it, giving the milk that time to break. And you can see it started breaking. And it should look like this. And this is the important bit as well. So I have a clean cloth, the fresh new one I've bought from the shop, and in here I will drain the water of the milk. So the milk has turned into curd, and I'm just going to drain this. To help get rid of the vinegar taste, or if you use lemon juice, the taste of the lemon juice. And then you have to squeeze the water out. And I'm going to squeeze the water out from it, the remaining of. This is the color. You can use that water next time. Instead of vinegar or lemon juice, you can use this water, add it to the milk. So sometimes I do save this water in a milk bottle, and you can deep freeze it. I put it in the freezer so I can use it next time. Well, this has drained. So next I need to add some fresh cold water so the taste of the vinegar will disappear. So I'm adding a cold water that will help any taste of the vinegar or the lemon juice. And now this time it is very thoroughly drained. So I've got it on a strainer, and sometimes if you have a cotton cloth, you can just hang it up but I'm just leaving it for half an hour and on a strainer after squeezing a couple of times, and that should actually do it. Yeah, that is enough. So the tips is to first squeeze the water out and then add the cold water, and second time round squeeze it properly and leave it for half an hour. And the water that comes from the first time, you can use that water, save it and use it next time. And this is how the paneer looks like. You can make it into a dough, leave it into a container to use a long time, or you can make this into a rasagulla, rasamalai. This is how to make rasagulla and rasamalai. So the paneer is used in most of Indian cooking, like saag paneer. You can use paneer in to make a dessert, like sweet dishes, rasamalai, gulab jamun, not gulab jamun, rasamalai and rasagulla. Yeah, rasagulla, and also used to make barfi, milk barfi. I have given a recap at the end. Please do subscribe to my channel and with the bell icon on so you get notification every time I may upload a new video. And please like and share with your friends and family, and make sure you give your opinion in your comment. Thank you.